infrastructure part of the school is really important because there are some big challenges within the infrastructure sector. There are environmental ones, social ones and economic. The school really helps address these through the partners and the members, and it's a fantastic initiative.
We are committed to sustainability and trying to do that across the board, and obviously our supply chain is a very important part of that. So we want them to be up to speed on sustainability, and the school is an excellent way of achieving that.
Sustainability as an issue is becoming more and more significant. The infrastructure school will become a key part of the learning landscape and bring benefit to the whole supply chain.
The government's report, Construction 2025, set out the need, very clearly set out the need to reduce costs by over 30%, to reduce durations and programs by 50%, and obviously to drive down carbon emissions from the industry by 50% by 2025. Those are huge challenges, and there's only one way that we or any other major contractor or the industry as a whole can get to grips with the magnitude of those challenges, and that's by opening up to our supply chain, by collaborating more, by sharing our values and working together to unlock innovation.
Our suppliers should have an understanding of sustainability and infrastructure to support us and our customers to achieve the sustainability objectives, and also importantly to develop and enhance their own business credentials.
It is essential we have a supply chain that are well versed in what is required of them from a sustainability perspective.
It's about upskilling our supply chain and providing them with the support and information they need without them having to pay for the privilege.
It's an opportunity to develop our supply chain to meet the client's requirements. It assists the supply chain by giving them a free, unbiased opportunity for self-help.
The delivery of sustainability and the delivery of the infrastructure programme is incredibly important because it will drive efficiency as well as providing for a legacy. So society is demanding that we leave greater legacy in what we deliver through infrastructure. But at the same time, we have to be more efficient, both in the use of resources and actually the sheer physical delivery of the infrastructure programme as we've got it today.
We need to innovate and do things differently, do things better. And the way to do that is really to engage much earlier with the supply chain and to engage all those in the supply chain in that process.
It's really important for us to be up to speed with the sustainability agenda and also for an ability to influence that.
We are building on a solid foundation, and we know it works. People like it, the supply chain are engaged.
We have been very short in the infrastructure space of advice, help, reading materials, study materials for people who are in the business of delivering. The professions have got pretty good at it. The Institution of Civil Engineers, the Institution of Structural Engineers, Royal Town Planning Institute has lots of stuff about sustainability in infrastructure for its members. But the great thing about the Supply Chain School is that it's delivering that for practitioners who are working on sites or in the supply chain.